Hello everyone. So the question says that prepare an incremental analysis for the Anna's basket weaving studio. Should Anna's carry the basic introductory kit with underdyed and uncut reeds or the stage 2 kit with the reeds already dyed and cut? So if not processed further, sold basic kit under dyed reeds. So sale price is given 23 be less cost, that is given 10. So our profit per basic kit will be 13. Now if basic kit processed further to stage 2 kit, it will produce two number of stage 2 kits, dyed kits with sales value of $33.